Hey guys, welcome back from another video, and today I found this Hoover twin chamber, and this is going to be a review on it, but I'm not going to turn it on right now. Well, maybe. I just have to think about it in the video, but let's see what it's all about. So this had its brush before. It's missing now. It's somewhere in my house. Has its upholstery tool. Doesn't have its turbo brush, unfortunately. And some people say these things go missing. Mine is not. And so here's all of the attachments that it's missing. It's missing dusting brush, the turbo brush, the crevice tool, and that's it. Here's the two extension ones. And let's put that one back. And let's see this part. That was easy. Let's move that to the side. And oops. So I used it a couple of days ago. This filter is very dusty. It looks clean on my camera, but it's very dusty in real life. Yeah. So, hold on. I use two hands for this job. Okay, and it does have a headlight, but the only problem that this has is at the wind down. It sounds like it has a faulty motor. Just saying. Here's the brush roll if you wonder what it looked like. Yeah, the headlight does work. The headlight does work. Here it is. And we are gonna check out this model sticker. So hold on. So here it is, if you wonder. Focus. Won't focus. My camera. Focus. It won't focus. Dang it. It won't focus on this, but if I bring it back, so I'll tell you the model number since it won't focus. The model number is U5750-900. And this model was made in 1998. And, hold on. And that was my cat. Now, let's bring this back up. It does not have, well, it does have a HEPA filter. Well, at least it did. So here it is. And some of these, if you ever owned one of these back in like the early 2000s or 90s, did you know if it came with like a pack with a white mint thing? You have to put that right in here and then put the filter back on. What do they mean by HEPA? To make it smell good. But mine doesn't have that anymore, so mine just smells like a normal vacuum. Like, has a dust. And there's a couple height adjustments. So we got carpet height, medium, low, and hard floor. And so I think that's all this has. So yeah. And after this video, there's going to be another one right after this one. It's going to be versus of this with my Bissell and see which one gets more dust in the canister. So, yeah. See ya.